Hello friends, very good evening to everybody. I am Namita, your friend, welcoming you to my channel. How are you, my dear friends? I hope you are doing well. So friends, yesterday we done with first unit of paper 9. See, explain aesthetic as a branch of philosophy over, explain meaning and dimensions of aesthetics over, write about Indian arts, Russia principle, importance of arts in education. These 5 questions over. So today we are going to start unit 2. Unit 1 is over. So now we'll start unit 2 of paper 9. What is the unit 2? Art and education. Here first unit is what? Art and aesthetics. Now we'll read about art and education. Okay, dear friends. So before starting the questions, first we will see the important questions from this unit. The first question is, what is meant by art and education? Art as a medium of education. Art as a unifying principle in education. Explain about art and society. Write about art and human development. Okay, so now we'll start question number 1. What is meant by art and education? So in first unit we studied about what is art, what is aesthetic, what is the relationship between art and aesthetics. Like that, now in unit 2 we'll read about what is art, what is education, what is the relationship between art and education, how they both help each other, how art help education, education help art. Like that we will see now. Okay, dear friends, if any doubt is there, you can ask me in the comment box. If my videos are really helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so let's see the first question, art and education. So friends, what do you mean by art? Please tell. Art means what? Skill or craft, expression of skill or imagination, expression your emotions, your creativity is called art. For example, drawing, through painting, for designing. Okay, art is of different types. Now, what do you mean by education? Education means teaching or training of the people, especially in schools, educational institutions. Okay, acquisition of knowledge, skill, values and personal development is education. Art means skill or craft, education means acquisition of knowledge, skill and personal development. Okay, now we'll see what do you mean by art and education, how art is important for education. Now we'll see. Friends, by some research and investigation we got to know that art has a very important place in education. How? We will see now. It is an expanding field of educational research and practice informed by investigations into learning through arts experiences. What they are saying? Learning through art experiences. Who gave that report or investigated? See, report of the Education Commission 1950-53, the Kothari Commission report 1964-66, National Policy of Education NEP 1986-2005, National Curriculum Framework and NCF 1975, NCRT, they all did investigation research that art has important place in education. Art is important in education. Okay, please remember these 5: report of Education Commission, Kothari Commission, NEP 1986, NCF 1975 and NCERT. Okay, what they said? Art education has always been a priority area in the education policy of Indian government. Indian government gave focus on arts education. Why? Because arts education helps the students in academic achievement. Arts education helps in academic achievement. It helps in the thinking skill. It helps in decision making, memory, development of memory, critical thinking, decision making, development of self confidence, okay, creativity. So we can say that involvement in arts can lead to increased academic performance of students. Okay, so the first question is over, dear friends. What is art and education? Art means skill and craft. Education means acquisition of knowledge, skill, personal development. And art and education means you have to write about these 5 reports. Again, how we are giving importance to, why you are giving importance to arts education means we have to mention these points. Okay, now we'll start. Art is a medium of education. Okay, dear friends, so don't get confused about what do you mean by art and education. Art is a medium of education, because these all are looking like same only. Okay, you can add these points here also. Okay, in second question also you can add these points if you will forget in the exam. Friends, the above points you can write here. Okay, so art is a medium of education. What is the medium? So we will see now. Art include performing arts education. Friends, this spelling education, TI education, sorry for the mistake. Art include performing arts education like dance, drama, music, literature and poetry, storytelling, visual arts like film, craft making, design, photography, digital arts, everything come under performing arts education. Okay, dear friends, what are the drama, dance, music, literature and poetry? Storytelling is also a type of art, visual art, craft, design, photography, digital arts. Nowadays, so digital art is going on because we are in modern day. Now, arts education not only teaching art. Dear friends, everybody will think art means only drawing and painting. No. Art education not only teaching arts, not only it will teach about the art, drawing, painting, but also focus on how to improve learning through the arts. Okay, how to transfer learning in and through the arts to other disciplines, how art will help in other disciplines means other subject. In it also helps in the already said memory development, critical thinking, decision making, self confidence. Okay, discovering and creating understanding of human behavior, thinking potentials, etc. So dear friends, arts education not only about arts only, but also it works on improve learning and how to transfer learning through arts, like the disciplines already I said here. Discover and creating understanding human behavior, thinking, everything. Okay, now please remember these 3 points. Art is a medium of education in different ways to grow up the child education and curriculum the following ways. So art is education in different ways. How we will see now. So friends, in school how what is happening, how it helps, we will see now. According to 1993 Arts Education Partnership Group Study, according to 1993 Arts Education Partnership Group Study, what it said, student motivation to learn, student motivation to learn, better school attendance, increased graduation rates, improved multicultural understanding, development of high order thinking, creativity and problem solving. These by arts in education we will get help this. Okay, so student motivate to learn, better school attendance because because students love to draw, no? Yes or no? Elementary and middle school. So what happening in elementary and middle school? So my dear friends, as you know, when a small child is there, if the child will see some pencil or pen, means he or she will very excited and he will do like and he will happy. Yes or no? And you will ask them, beta, what is this? They will say, this is snake, this is cat, this is dog is eating here, sleeping here. They will explain like this. Okay, in our neighbor there is a child is there, name is Khoti. I will ask, what is this? He will tell, Golu, this is starfish. See starfish in the sea, and starfish is eating. This is starfish mama. He will tell like that. Okay, so friends, elementary and middle school. So what happening in that? Children are natural artists. Okay, so they will think what is there in imagination, they will do like that only. So you can say children are natural artists. Yes or no, dear friends? So why natural means they don't copy to others, no. As children grow, if the children grow slowly, they connect the visual and tactile arts. Visual arts, you know, by seeing parents will show na, this is like mango, this is banana, this is dog, this is doll, like that. Slowly they will know. They play with seeds, sand, mud, finger painting, playing with the crayons, everything in the in 3 to 4 years child they will do like this. When they go to formal schooling, when they will go to schooling, LKG, UKG, standard 1, standard 2, slowly they will learn how to draw shapes, how to draw. The teacher, the arts teacher will teach how to draw shapes, like how to draw line, how to do what circle, triangle, everything they will learn. How to draw mango, apple, banana, they will learn. Flowers, fruits, etc. with the help of the art teacher. Yes or no, dear friends? Slowly they connect themselves with the environment. When they will grow slowly, they will connect themselves with the environment, because they will see the environment, they will realize, they will imagine. Okay, so what will happen in secondary school? So friends, in secondary school they are grown up now. So, results from the case studies of secondary schools indicated positive effects of arts in education. Okay, some research, some studies explain that secondary schools indicate some positive effect of arts in education. How? It helps in technical knowledge. It helps in technical knowledge, skills in the specific art form of the study, sense of enjoyment, stress relief. By arts they stress relief. Other effects were increased knowledge of social and cultural issues. They got to know about the social and cultural issues, thinking skills, increased self confidence. Friends, this is the symbol of increase. Okay, I'm writing like this in shortcut. Self confidence. Okay, so friends, I think you have some doubt. I'm saying by education, what will happen? Understanding will develop, self confidence will develop, decision making will develop, critical thinking will develop. How this happen? You are thinking, no, friends. For draw something, what you need? You are not copying anyone, okay? You are trying to draw something. Okay, so what you will do? You have to think, you have to imagine first. Okay, you are thinking deep to your heart, deep to your mind. Yes or no, dear friends? And I want to draw something means I can't draw anything, no. I have to think the paper size, and after that what is the length, what is the breadth, how to do, if how I will do, then it will look beautiful. Yes or no? So we have to think, we have to do so many works in arts. Yes or no? So by this way, art will help to education. Now, third point is technology. Now technology development happens because we are in modern days. So what will happen? Technology, by technology, how it will help you, friends? Tell me. So by technology you will get so many features. Yes or no? Advancement of computer technology allow students to a variety of features. In PowerPoint you can draw, you have so many tools, features, animations, wallpapers. Okay, so student can show more creativity, more development in their work. Technology helps in broaden students creativity, raise students interest towards they are very excited now when they have computer class, teach new skills and many more. Friends, this is all about art and education, and art as a medium of education. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If any doubt is there, please ask me in the comment, friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe me. Okay, and yesterday I asked you that if my video will half an hour duration, is it okay or not? Nobody is give any response to it. So please tell me, you want 10-15 minutes video or half an hour is okay for you? Thank you for watching my video. Namaste.